In this video, I am going to show you how to use your phone as a gamepad for your smart TV. First, ensure that your smart TV is connected to the internet and that you have the appropriate game or app installed that supports mobile gamepad functionality. Start by downloading a gamepad app on your smartphone. Popular options include Steam Link, Droid Joy, or Ultimate Gamepad. Go to your device's app store, search for one of these apps, and install it. Next, make sure your phone and smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for the devices to communicate effectively. Once the app is installed, open it on your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your phone with your smart TV. Depending on the app you're using, you may need to enter a code displayed on your TV or simply select your TV from a list of available devices. After pairing, the app should display a gamepad interface on your phone screen. Customize the layout if needed, adjusting button placements to your liking. Now, open the game or app on your smart TV that you want to play. Your phone will function as a gamepad, allowing you to control the game using the virtual buttons on your screen. If you experience any lag or connectivity issues, try closing any background apps on your phone and ensure that your Wi-Fi connection is stable. And that's it. You can now enjoy gaming on your smart TV using your phone as a gamepad. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.